There are 3 common mistakes that people make when applying IBX. I'm sure there are more, but there are 3 particularly common mistakes that I really want to make sure that you avoid from the start. The first is blotting too heavily. If you push too hard when you're blotting the natural nail, then you're actually going to push the IBX out of the nail and soak it up into your nail wipe rather than allowing it to cure inside the nail. So when you blot gently. Mistake number 2 is using too harsh of a heat. We've discussed this at length already, but as a reminder, because it is really important, if you use too harsh of a heat, you will burn off the IBX before it has a chance to go into the nail and nothing will happen. It will have evaporated. Finally, the third most common mistake is people using something that emits UV light as their heat source. If your heat source also emits UV light, you will have cured IBX on top of the nail as it was trying to penetrate into the nail. Your heat source needs to be free from UV light so that it can just penetrate, and then your cure lamp, so your LED or your UV lamp, that will be where the UV comes into play.